Welcome to e-learning. It is essential to learn basic accounting terminologies which are used frequently in accounting before starting to study accounting. The knowledge about terminologies of accounting help to understand accounting easily. Some of the basic terminologies are account. It is a basic unit for measurement in accounting. It is used for identifying a person or an item in accounting. An account is opened individually for a person or asset, expenses, income, etc. For example, Rama's account, furniture's account, cash account, etc. But in ledger, account is a summary of transactions under a head. A bar C is the abbreviation used for denoting the term accounting. Proprietor, an individual who invests his money to establish and run his own business, can be called as a proprietor. Simply, a business owner is known as proprietor. Entity, identity or identifications of existence of a business unit. A business unit or firm has a separate entity which is distinct from its owner. Firm, concern or enterprise. An organization or economic entity which deals any business. Example, sole trading concern, partnership firm, joint stock company, etc. Transactions, activity or business dealing which involves transfer of money or money's worth from one person to another. Here, money's worth can be goods, services or ideas. Some different types of transactions are cash transaction. A transaction which involves immediate cash payment or payment of value of goods or services in cash on the spot. For example, purchase of machinery on cash by paying immediately rupees 50,000. Credit transaction. It's a business dealing where payment of cash against to purchase of goods or services is postponed or deferred. Example, purchase goods worth rupees 1 lakh from Smita on 1st January 2020, paid cash on 1st March 2020. In this transaction, you may observe that goods was purchased on 1st January 2020, but the cash means value of the goods paid on 1st March 2020. Barter transaction. Goods and services are exchanged for some other types of goods or services. Means goods or services to be exchanged are not expressed in terms of money. In this example, an apple is exchanged for some bananas. Paper transaction. It is not only a transaction between two parties where money or money's worth are being exchanged. It's a type of transaction that has to be recorded in accounting based on practice or situation. For example, entry of depreciation to represent used up portion of an asset. Entry of loss of asset due to fire or accident, etc. These type of transactions are considered as paper transactions. Then, transactions may be cash transactions, credit transactions, barter transactions, and paper transactions. Cash transactions means immediate payment of cash against a purchase. Credit means postponement of payment against a purchase. Barter means exchange of one goods for another. Paper transaction actually happened on paper only. Next, entry means record of a transaction in the journal is called as entry. Journal. All the transactions of a business are recorded in the first book meant for the purpose is called journal. Journal is also called as a day book or a book of crime entry. Ledger. It is a book meant for maintaining various accounts of business. Posting. An act of recording entry from journal in the ledger is called posting. Means transfer of an entry from journal to ledger can be referred as posting. Net worth. Excess of business assets over business liabilities as on a particular period, maybe end of an accounting year, is called as net worth. Here assets are greater than or more than liabilities. Goods, the commodities in which the trader or business person deals. Example, textile merchant deals textile. Here textile is a goods for him. A furniture merchant deals with furniture, which is goods to him. Purchases. Buying goods for the business are called purchases. So here textile merchant purchases textiles for his business and grocery merchant purchases grocery. Like this, the items which are purchased for the sake of business can be considered as purchases. Sales. Exchange of goods for money, or it is an amount realized by sale of goods exclusively. Purchase return. When purchaser or buyer of the goods returns goods to the seller or supplier is called purchase return. Sales return. When the seller receives goods returned by his customer after sales is called sales return. Loss. It is excess of expenditure over income or revenue. Excess of expenditure over income or revenue can be called as loss. Profit. Excess of income or revenue over expenditure can be considered as profit. In this video, you have understood some of the basic terminologies of accounting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Srividya e-Learning for more videos.